Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn and write 10 lines essay on birds. So let's start. First line. Birds are very beautiful. Next line. Birds are able to fly in air. Next line. They have wings. Next line. Few birds like ostriches and penguins cannot fly. Next line. Our national bird is peacock. Next line. All the birds have two eyes, two legs and wings. Next line. Birds live in nests. Next line. They lay eggs in the nest. Next line. Birds have different color. Next line. Birds eat insects, fish, grains, fruits, etc. Next line. Birds eat with the help of their beaks. Next line. Some people keep birds as pet. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.